Welcome back to Guitar Class. Today, we're talking intervals. Intervals are distances between notes. As an example, here's E, top string on the guitar, and E on the 12th fret. It's the same note, separated by an octave. I'm going to teach you what every single interval is up to that octave. The first one is the minor second, E to F. The next one is a major second, E to F sharp. The next one is a minor third, E to G. A major third, E to G sharp. A perfect fourth from E up to A. A tritone, or sharp 4, or flat 5, is on the 6th fret. Again, this is mainly called a tritone. This is the Simpsons theme. The next one is a perfect 5th on the 7th fret. Then a minor 6th on the 8th fret. Major 6th on the 9th fret. Minor 7th on the 10th fret. Major 7th on the 11th fret. And a perfect unison, or an octave, to the 12th fret. You can do this for every string on the guitar. I just wanted to show you what each interval was using one string. Now, if we want to step it up a notch and get a little more interesting, we can see how this works on two different strings. So if we start with E on the 5th fret, for example, that's A. That note is A. But let's say I want to play a minor second interval on the next string. What do? Well, if this is A on the 5th fret, a minor second, the next tone up would be A sharp. It just so happens that that note is on this next string down, right here on the 1st fret. But this is going to be quite a stretch, right? Okay, what about a major second? Well, that's going to be one more fret up on the next string. And what about a minor third? Well, that's one more fret up. Major third. Perfect fourth are sharing the 5th fret. A tritone will come next. A perfect 5th. minor sixth, major sixth, minor seventh, and major seventh. Which is a very good stretch and good practice. Well, what if we go from E to the D string? Well, you can keep going on your own, and it will become familiar to you how to measure the intervals. For now, I just want to point out what the distances are between the strings as they are tuned. So first of all, your E string to your A string. That's a perfect fourth. And this is true from the A string to the D string, from the D string to the G string, but not true from the G string to the B string. That one is a major third. But B to E, the last two, goes back to being a perfect fourth. So what about the distances between the top string, the E, and say the D string? So skipping the A. Well, that's a minor seventh. What about the E string skipping the A and the D, going straight to G? Well, E to the G is a minor third. The E to the B string is a perfect fifth. And the E to E is 3 octaves away, still E. I hope that you find this useful. Again, these are just distances between notes, and we give them names. Minor second, major second, minor third, major third. And they're effective ways for us to communicate as musicians with one another and explain exactly what it is we are doing when we move from note to note. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.